Welcome back to The Richest Man in Babylon Summarized. We're on Chapter 5, The 5 Laws of Gold. What's the story here? A traveling merchant named Kalabab sits around the campfire with his 27 associates. But a day's journey from Babylon, he poses a question to his associates. Would you rather have money or wisdom? The group answers money. Kalabab then tells them a story of Nomasir, the son of Arkad, and his path to wealth. Kalabab tells about how Nomasir, when barely a man, was given by his father a sack of gold and a clay tablet containing the 5 laws of gold. Arkad charged his son to go out and prove his wisdom that he might qualify as Arkad's heir. Nomasir quickly loses his gold to poor investment opportunities. The first is to a scam, and the second he enters into a partnership with a foolish man. It isn't until Nomasir is broke that he decides to truly investigate the clay tablet his father gave him. Upon learning and applying the 5 laws from the tablet, he slowly and steadily improves his financial status. He eventually becomes a wealthy and respectable man. After 10 years, he returns to his father Arkad and presents him his tale, along with 3 bags of gold, as evidence that gold is cheaper than wisdom. Arkad accepts his son with joy and pride and names him his heir. Kalabab encourages his associates around the fire to likewise learn the 5 laws of gold and apply them. By so doing, they too shall become wise, wealthy, and respectable men. So what are the key financial principles here? Wisdom is better than money. The opposite is a path to poverty. It is not by luck but by wisdom that most people have obtained their wealth, and the same is true for you. Money that comes quickly goes away quickly. Money is reserved for those who know its laws and abide by them. As a parent, it is wise to ensure that your children learn wisdom before being given wealth. Education and training qualify you for greater financial opportunities. Networking is a powerful tool toward building wealth. There are always people ready and willing to scam you out of your money. Be very careful. Do not risk what you cannot afford to lose. What are the 5 laws? Law number 1, pay yourself first. PYF, 10% always. Law number 2, invest wisely for the future. Laws 3 and 4 can basically be summarized as research and study your options before investing. Law number 5, beware of scammers and too good to be true fantastical opportunities, as they are virtually always nefarious. So how do we apply these financial principles from this chapter into our lives? As we've said several times already, PYF, 10% every paycheck. Abandon any sense of entitlement or envy that you may have. Most people are wealthy because they have earned it, and you can too. Anger and jealousy will not make you rich. Only the exercise of wisdom can do that. Surround yourself with wise and experienced people. Form relationships with people in your field of study and expertise, because it's not what you know, it's who you know. Invest your money into a diversified portfolio under the wisdom and guidance of those who know more than you. Consider mutual funds as a way to do this. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be skeptical and critical. If this opportunity is really so amazing, why is it being advertised? Study appropriate methods of financial management from reliable, proven sources. Do not invest any money that you cannot afford to lose. If you cannot survive without it, you shouldn't be risking it. Do not attempt to make money through gambling. Even those who win big often have nothing after only a short period of time. Thus concludes our Chapter 5 summary of The Richest Man in Babylon, The 5 Laws of Gold. You can move on to Chapter 5 Discussed, where we go into greater depth, or you can move on to the Chapter 6 summary. Thanks for watching.